Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions now. Check the TV's audio format list so you know which codecs are unsupported. This tells you whether to transcode or pass through. Once done, switch the source to a direct HDMI eARC or optical output rather than smart app streaming, and connect an external decoder or AV receiver if the TV lacks native support. Make sure to use a known good HDMI cable. Cheap cables can drop ARC/eARC handshakes and cause unsupported audio errors. Next, set up external decoding and change device settings to force proper formats. Route the source into an AV receiver or hardware decoder and then to the TV via eARC/ARC. This allows the receiver to handle unsupported codecs. In the TV menu, set audio output to bitstream or pass-through and turn off TV audio processing so the receiver gets an unmodified stream. Then configure the receiver to decode the specific codec. If it cannot, add a dedicated decoder between source and TV. This preserves sync and avoids downmix artifacts. Finish by verifying playback and addressing remaining issues. Play a known Dolby or DTS test file, check lip sync and channel mapping on the receiver, and set speaker configuration to match your setup. If audio still shows unsupported, swap HDMI ports, replace the HDMI cable, and check for firmware updates on TV, source, and receiver. If nothing changes, test with another source device to isolate the component. As a last resort, factory reset the TV after backing up settings. This often clears corrupted audio profiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.